Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I'm super excited to be introducing you to my newest digital series that is available in my Etsy shop and also in my Ko-fi shop. It is called Pondside Curiosities. It's all things frogs, botanical, nature. There's a few little bugs in there and dragonflies and mushrooms, and yeah, super, super cool. I really like how it turned out. I've been wanting to make a frog digital for a while, and clearly I was having fun because I have 4 ginormous kits here as usual. So we have kit 1, the journal pages, and kit 2, the pattern pages. Kit 3, ephemera, like pockets, tickets, T-cards, postcards, and more. And then kit 4, ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, words, and more. So a ginormous series and super duper fun. The links to all of the kits can be found in the description box below for Etsy and Ko-fi. And then the flip throughs as I do them will be down below in the description box as well, so you can have a look at all of them. Kit 2, pattern pages, is 46 pages. Lots and lots of backgrounds, super cool. In all of the colors, the kits are primarily green, yellow, blue, and neutral. So we have some beautiful script here and some lily pads. And then we have some green stripe and then some lighter with some script on it. I really love this pattern. It would look really cool, a pocket made out of that. So as you can tell, we're in the greens section. Here's some super duper cool like water effect and ripples in water. Really like that one. And it's available in all the colors, you'll see. Coming up here. Some beautiful green script. Love these pages. You can find this in all the colors as well. Different writing on each of them, so not exactly the same, which is great. Super pretty. Love this one. It's got all the colors, green, yellow, blue. Really grungy. And then I'm calling this my tadpole page. It's very old, like antique. I do not know what it's meant to be. It's some pattern that I kind of pieced together, but they kind of look like tadpoles to me. So that's our green tadpole page. This is one of the backgrounds of one of the journaling pages. I just didn't have enough room to get it in there. Some lily pads, but it's just really highly distressed, so you can write on it. Just a fun antique pattern with all the colors. And a map with all the colors. And then like a bus schedule or a train schedule. And then we're into some blues here. So we have like a wallpaper. Here's that swirly one in the blue with the script. So pretty. It's got some green in the background as well. Blue stripes, dark and light. And then we have this pattern. We have blue tadpoles. There's our water effect in blue. Love this page so much. It's so pretty. Yeah, actually these 3 pages here are, I think, my favorites out of this kit. Look at that one. It's got all the colors, like exact yellow, blues, and greens in all the right tones. Oops, I'm having issues. So pretty. And then we have our yellows. And our swirly yellow. And then we have our water effect in yellow and greens. So pretty. Some wallpaper, water pattern in the background with journaling space there. And then some frogs. All these frogs are some of the fussy cuts. There's so many fussy cuts in the ephemera kit, like a lot of botanicals, like dragonflies, butterflies, zillions of frogs, some snails. Yeah, it's super fun, fussy cut kit. And then you could pair it up with this one if you want. The background's a little bit different, but you've got yellows and stuff here, so it blends really beautifully. And it's the same frog pattern that's on the journaling page. And then we have neutral grunge, frogs and botanicals, postage, tadpoles. Yeah, super fun. Then we have some stripes. Brown tadpoles, brown water effect, different water effect with the journaling pages on it, and then the swirly page. So that is kit number 2, the pattern pages for Pondside Curiosities, and all the links to the flip throughs of all the digitals and in this series, and the links can be found below. Thanks for watching. Bye.